How to claim Shopee Insurance. The first things first is of course access your Shopee application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're here at the lower right portion of the screen, just tap on Me, which gonna takes to your profile. Now scroll down a bit and then under Financial Services below C Bank, just tap on Insurance. Now from here, there's something that you need to understand first. For you to be able to claim it, there is actually a waiting period of all the insurance or the coverage that Shopee has. For example, for comprehensive motorcycle insurance, let's tap on that. And from here, you can just have a code and just check on the coverage for you to be able to know what is the insurance that you're looking at. For hospital cash, if you scroll down and check for how you can claim this insurance, there is actually a waiting period like no later than 30 working days from the date of the incident occurred. Now, this is the waiting period of the hospital insurance claim for Shopee. Now, once you have successfully waited for the waiting period of time, then there is actually an option right here for you to successfully claim it instead of buy now. Now, all you have to do is just tap on that and then just fill out necessary informations you need, and you should be able to claim that insurance. So that's it. That's how you claim insurance with Shopee.